currently spending a week in Hot Springs, North Carolina. About a month ago, I realized I had a week off of work and I didn't have anything planned. So I was like, you know what? I went to Hot Springs about 2 years ago and just spent one night at the start of a rafting trip there. So I was like, you know what? I like that town. I think I'll go back there. When I moved back to North Carolina, I moved back for family, rivers, and trees in that order. So I'm all about just rivers and creeks. That's just my favorite thing to do when I have time off. So I wanted to come back to Hot Springs because the French Broad's here, and I got the hint that there was lots of hikes by rivers and creeks, and that has proven true. So on this video, I'm going to show some of the hikes I did, just so you can do some research. And let's go check out Hot Springs. The hike to Hickey Fort Waterfall is only 2.3 miles, so that's not so bad. It is a little steep in some spots, and you gotta cross some creeks, so maybe it's not for everybody. But you follow the creek a lot, just like I'm right now. It's over on my left. Had the whole waterfalls to myself today, so that was pleasant. You want to see the creek? Oh, isn't that nice? Max patch in the fog. It's about 9:30 in the morning. Next patch in the fog. Yeah, you're going to be action heroes in my little video here. That's right. Well, you made it past purgatory. That's the tough part.
How you doing?
Good. How are y'all? You spent the night, I assume.
Yeah, we camped about 20 feet away. It was a good night for sure.
Have a good day.
Cheers.
It was too windy at the top to record any dialogue, so I'm recording the dialogue here. Max patch is that way. About 1.5 miles. It's very nice.
Goes this way, right?
This one's the light.
So is this where it begins?
Wait, where are we
I
going?
think if you want the parking lot, I believe it's that way.
Oh, sorry. We read the wrong thing. Thank you very much.
Yeah. I got up really early because I wanted to see the clouds burn off. And I'm glad I did, because this is a very popular hike. Probably one of the more popular ones in the area, for good reason. The views are amazing. But if you're going to do one hike and come early, this might be the one. When I arrived, there was a grand total of 2 cars here, and now there is at least 20. And it's a random Thursday. This is the Lover's Leap Trail. I think I'm about halfway up. I'm not quite sure, but good views of the river. The first part of the trail followed along the river, which was nice. It also overlaps the Appalachian Trail if you want to get on the Appalachian Trail a little bit. But gotta keep moving. Whew. The Lover's Leap Trail may be short at 1.6 miles, but it's not for the faint of heart. It's fairly steep, and there's definitely parts of it where I'm like leaning against the rock, like, oh, I don't want to fall off. It's so far down there. It's so far. But it is good for nice views. I was hiding from a bear. That's not true.